Okay, we're getting ready to season 2 Cornish hens. I'm going to apply a little bit of butter and some seasoning I have here, and then we're just going to place them directly in. We're not going to make any stuffing for these birds. We're just going to smoke them. Okay, we're going to get some butter, and we're going to kind of just don't take a whole lot. There's not a whole lot in here, it looks like. There's some. And I'm going to put some on there. Now, I'm just going to rub it all over these little Cornish hens. Placing it all around that butter. Oh yeah. Mix these all around. Get that butter. Well, someone's out there playing hot rod out on the street, it sounds like. Anyway. Okay. Get that done. I'm going to place some seasoning or some rub on here. This is sweet heat I'm putting on these. Now then, that ought to do it. Now we'll tie them off so they don't run off. I'm not a professional chicken tire, but I think what works, works. Well, we got them hog-tied now. Okay. Now we're going to place them into this smoke, and I must say it's rolling out the smoke. We're going to let it smoke for a while. We're actually at 175 on that, putting out some smoke through it. I'm going to run it on up, and I'm going to let it smoke like this for about 5 minutes. And then we'll move it on up to 300 degrees. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes of smoking. Now we're going to turn it on up to 300, and it may continue to smoke a little bit. Well, it looks like it's getting about time for another glass cleaning, doesn't it? Well, it looks like we're running about 295. Well, right at 300 now. She hit 300. Didn't take it long to get there. Okay, I seen the temperature keep crawling up, and I thought, what's going on? I looked down, I had it set on 350 instead of 300. Okay, my eyes are really good. Anyways, yeah, it'll be fine. She'll come back down to temp, and she'll cook just fine. Well, I must say, them are looking pretty good. Not bad at all. Okay, we're adding in a little bit of baked potato there. We got 135 degrees internal temperature. I'm going to try to get it up to 170 in internal. Add a little water. Should have done it a while ago, but our temp has been holding steady around 300, 305, 295, perfect. Looks like we have an internal temperature of 163. Now, I have switched the timer to go off at 170. I wanted to bake a little bit longer. I'm sure some don't like to do that, but I'm going to go just a little bit longer. Okay, let's get these birds off of there. Oh, look at that. Let's wrap them up. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, I've sliced up zucchini squash, and I've put some butter on it, and I'm gonna season it with my salt, pepper, and garlic here. And then we're going to place it in the smoker and let it cook at about 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. I want to thank each and every one for watching. And if you like the video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that bell for future notifications.